Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm kind of trying to figure out something to do today that would be productive. It's a little bit late in the day and I'll go to the gym in a couple hours, but I've been meaning to use some tape on my steering wheel. I had a race on Sunday, an autocross event. I was able to win by about 2.5 tenths, maybe almost 3 tenths over my closest competitor. So it was close, but the interesting thing is that I spun out almost a full 360 degrees on my first lap out, and that was mostly because I did not have my best tires on. I had some old street tires which do not have as much traction as my good race tires, and I just got on the gas too hard and broke it loose and spun it around. Well, when you've spun a car around, you need to get back going on the track, and one of the things that helps you get back going on the track is to know what way your front wheels are pointed, because when you're finished with the spin you might not know what way they're pointed. So that's the reason I've got the red tape on the top here. Not to be cool or anything, it's actually a function to help you drive a car, especially during stressful conditions like a race condition. Well, I'm going to put a little more tape on there, here, and there. It's going to be clear tape, and this is silicone tape. It sticks to itself. It doesn't really stick to the underlying material that you're putting it on, so it's not going to spoil the leather on the wheel or anything. But every once in a while, usually I like to have my position, hand position to 10 and 2, but sometimes I'll come down here, and it just gives you a little extra grip, plain and simple. This is not a very grippy rim. It's kind of a smooth leather. There are other rims that are better, but I don't happen to have them in my car. One of the nicest rims I ever had in my hands was when I was instructing for the BMW club, and one of the guys had I believe it's called Alcantara covering on his BMW rim, and I think it was an M3, it might have been an M5, but it was just so nice and soft and grippy all at once, all those three things at the same time, comfortable. So that was a heck of a rim, a heck of a steering wheel, but mine isn't like that, but I'm going to try and do this little tape job to help it work a little better for me when I'm racing. I'll show you when I'm done. Well, there's one, and already I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. I'm not sure I'm too crazy about the look of that, but I have some black silicone tape also, so I'll probably use up what I've got cut already, and then I'll maybe switch to black, see if it looks a little better. Okay, so you can tell me what you think. I'd appreciate the feedback and the comments. It's the black and the clear. For me, it's no contest. I'm definitely going to take this off and go with black on all 4 of them. So let's do that and see how it looks. Okay, well, I think that's good for right now. I'm going to drive it tonight and see how the steering wheel feels, if it's a little improvement or it bothers me, or we'll see what happens. Anyway, give me a thumbs up or like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.